Former President Olusegun Obasanjo has dismissed as fake news a viral message where he was quoted as endorsing the political prowess of All Progressives Congress (APC) presidential candidate Asiwaju Bola Tinubu and disparaging the military. The People's Democratic Party on Monday kicked off its presidential campaign at the Nest of Champions Stadium in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. The board of trustees of the party, led by Senator Adolphus Wabara, is also leading the effort to get VK support for Atiku and the party. The All Progressive Congress on Monday inaugurated the Women's Presidential Campaign team at the State House Conference Hall in Abuja. The APC has called on President Muhammadu Buhari to warn his ministers and other public holders to desist from working against the presidential candidate of the party, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu. Voting along religious lines in the 2023 general election may trigger negative consequences among Nigerians and threaten national development, Northern Christian leaders in the All Progressives Congress and Northern Muslim political leaders have stated. The presidential candidate of Labour Party, Peter Obi, has paid a visit to the former Emir of Kano, Muhammadu Sanusi II. Do you think Obasanjo is telling the truth?